It's important to remember that even though the techniques that were discussed are relatively basic, they form the core foundations of technical analysis, which are in themselves simple yet highly effective. More advanced technical analysis ideas develop upon these basic concepts, which, as we've seen, are applicable across a wide range of scenarios, regardless of the particular time frame, time range, or market and chart being analyzed. So it will be highly beneficial to continue practicing the skills of plotting support, resistance, and trend lines on a wide variety of charts and time frames. Even if you don't intend to trade and invest in all the assets of the charts that are analyzed. Skills are only developed and maintained if they are practiced constantly and applied within a wide range of scenarios and conditions. So keep practicing these skills and feel free to share a screenshot of a chart you've analyzed that shows the identification of swing points within horizontal support and resistance ranges, along with trend lines, channels, and notes about volume increases and decreases if applicable. Keep practicing, and thank you for watching.